behind those lines. In 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
And starting things off already, a lot of scoring as the Blue Alliance, their third note in. The Red Alliance of Broncobots put in another. They're back up with another. As for the Blue Alliance, it's Husky Robotics with Overture returning to the midfield. Blaze another going up. Has a ton of scoring in autonomous, going out 36, 41, 35 for Blue. Incredibly high scores coming out of autonomous as already acting up with that action. It's going to be Husky Robotics blocked by Law. Now it's just a meltdown for Red, scoring into their Ampers for the Red side. Bronco, the last spot, returning with a note. For the Blue, Blaze putting a bit of defense in the midfield. As meltdown looks for the Amp, and Bronco looks for the Speaker. Back for the Blue, it's Overture scoring into the Amp as Blaze blocking away Bronco from their source. Meltdown returning as the Red Alliance will make it to their source, returning with notes to shoot. Now for the Blue, it's Husky and Overture back at their own source, putting a bit of beyond. As now for the Red, it's Bronco and Meltdown, make one of their collective two. The Blue go a bit over with their shot. As now Broncobots trying to get that return note into their Amp. They're going to run it out of time in the last second. Meltdown though, ready up for another one as they have a note toward the Amp already. Back for the Blue, it's Overture stealing a piece from the Red Amp, or the Red source zone as they bring it to their Amp as Husky, their teammate, shooting to the Blue Speaker. A minute 15 to go, 57-51, incredibly high scoring match. For the Reds, it's going to be the System Meltdown scoring to the Amp as Bronco score into the amplified speaker. Back for Red, System Meltdown with another note as they'll pass Husky in the midfield with another for the Blue Alliance as they will line up and shoot up two. As now for the Blue, it's all three robots warming up, notes by their subwoofer up into the amplified, both make it in. Now back for the Red, it's the Broncobots shooting up in top as the System Meltdown score into their Amp. 40 seconds left as Overture score another into their Amp as well. Back toward their source for some more notes. As Broncobots returning, they look with another note toward their Amp to ready up another period of amplification as Husky Robotics score another. Overture toward their Amp as System Meltdown score another note to their amplified speaker. 20 seconds remaining, a 3-point differential. The end game is going to come down to the win as System Meltdown looks to go up potentially to score into their trap. As Broncobots looking to return, they have another note. As we see System Meltdown readying their way up, this note could be a big deal. As for the Blue Alliance, Overture in the air, 1 second, Meltdown score their trap. All three in the air for Red, Overture in the air for Blue with Blaze Robotics. As they win 97-92, upsetting the rank 1 team, pushing themselves all the way to the finals. As for Alliance 1, they aren't out yet, as we'll see them again in the lower bracket, round 5, match